Hello, thanks for your interest in the Click2Mail CRM Hub. My name is Carly and I'm the Customer Support Manager at Click2Mail. Today I'm going to show you how to create a CRM Hub template in your Click2Mail account. The CRM Hub supports direct mail integrations with Podio, Follow Up Boss, Salesforce, and Google Sheets, and this part of the process looks the same no matter which of those you're using. There are two definitions to clarify before we continue. First, a job is a mailing. Second, a job template sets up the document that you want us to use to create a mailing or job that will print and mail whenever a trigger fires on the CRM side. To create a template, you need two things. The first is a document that you want to mail, and the second is a structured data source that's been associated with the document. These assets need to be uploaded to your account in order to create a job template. I will post links to videos that show you how to do this in this video's description in case you're looking for help with that. For this example today, we're going to use a letter that I've already uploaded to my account, and my structured data source is a CSV file that I exported from the Google Sheet that drives my integration with the Hub. Now we're going to create a Hub template. Start by logging into your Click2Mail account. Accounts are easy to create and you only pay for what you mail. After you log in, you'll be delivered to your account dashboard. Click Job Templates from the menu on the left. From the options at the top, click Click2Mail Hub. Then, click Create, located in the upper right of the screen. Now select a product type. For this example, I'm going to choose the 8.5 by 11 inch letters. Now we're going to select printing properties. For example, you can change the print color from full color to black and white, or select different paper options and indicate mail class. I'm happy with these product defaults, so I'm going to do nothing here, and I'm going to click Continue to proceed. Now we're going to give the template a name. You'll thank yourself later if you give the template a meaningful name so you can easily remember its purpose in the future. Now click Select from Existing next to the Document section and look for the document you've uploaded to your account that you want to use for this template and click on it. After you've selected your document, click Done. Skip the mailing list section of this. You don't have to do anything with that. Regarding the return address, the template will use the default return address for your account. If you'd like, you can click Change to select a different one that's already been added to your account. We don't have to do anything with that or with TTL for this demo, so we're going to click Save Template to proceed. After you click Save Template, the template will be available for use when you create integrations in the CRM Hub. That's it for creating this template, and that's it for this video. If you have any questions, you can reach out to us at 866-665-2787 or crmhub@click2mail.com. Thanks for watching.